Hey guys, it's your boy Gabe, and I'm here playing Chrono Trigger. Very popular SNES game from like years and years ago. Okay, up, down. Yep, alright. I'll move on. Let's start. Go. So I had a hard time finding a game that started with a G, but Trigger's got a G and an R, so I was like, why not? Okay. Oh, you guys probably, no, you guys can't hear this because I refuse to buy the pro version of this recording thing, but, the music's, alright. 1995. Ooh, game's older than me. Alrighty then. Okay. My dad used to play this game a ton way back then, so when I saw this as an option, I was like, yeah, might as well try it, Let's see what we got. Okay. This is like an intro scene, that's pretty dope. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, there we go. If you didn't catch that, so the company that made this and published the game is Squaresoft, and the graphics and visuals were designed by Akira Toriyama. And if you didn't know, Mr. Toriyama is also the creator of the popular manga and anime Dragon Ball, which, if you were to search up the cover art for Chrono Trigger, you could definitely see the similarities between them. Let's see if I can skip this. Enter. Oh, that was completely optional. My bad. Initial attacking if you're not ready. Take your time to choose items and fight strategically. Yeah. Shit. Hello? What's it doing? Shift. Press shift. Oh, wait. Alright. My bad. C. There we go. Enter your name to push the start button. Chrono's fine. Right. It looks like a festival of some sorts going on. Big celebration. Come on, Chrono. Time to wake up. Whoa, is he already decked out in armor? This is Pajama. Alright, I'm moving now. My web page keeps moving as well. C is A, X is B, S is X, Z is Y. Oh god, how many? Okay. Let's see if we remember that. Alright. There we go. Luca, sure. That's right, Luca. Let me move this up a bit. Nope, guess not. Alright. I need your attention. Alright. This is a cat following me around. Cute. Oh, and this, y'all can't hear it, but the sound is, the music is kind of glitchy. It's pretty funny. I go here to the different, no, the market. I don't think I'm supposed to go here. Okay. Main square. Choose in. Oh. Interesting. Can't move. No, thank you. Where am I going? Over here. Ah, yeah. Hello? Anybody home? Just barge on in. Wow, this music is not good, guys. It's not good. Alright. No, right is right. Are you kidding me? Wait, is that again? Main square. This music is like the music is fine, but it is really glitchy. Where's the main square? Okay, I doubt it's this far. Wow. Main square? Residence. Market. Mayor's Manor. This has to be main square, right? Why didn't you let me go there? Alrighty then. Whoa. Can I go with you guys? Wait up. Oh. Okay, I'm still looking for something. Go back. Is this her? Millennial thing? You look cute. Where they at though? GI Jogger is the third. Fourth. Still. Okay. Spend your 0 silver points here. Okay. Thanks, game, for letting me know I'm broke. Alrighty then. Oh! What the? I'm so sorry. Am I dead? Oh. Whoa. What are you doing? Maybe it's in the. That was, it couldn't have gone. Oh, it's over there. How the hell did it fly over here? Yo. No. Sure. Yeah, why not? Yatta! Dang, I get to name everyone? That's pretty cool. Did she forget her name? Chrono. Okay, cool. +1 to the party. In a while? I don't think I got a while. No, I don't have any. What the? Finally. Beat me up and earn 15 silver points. Let's go. Oh, okay. Keep this down here. Did I just take damage? Alright, let me attack him. You also attack him. Ow, dang! Am I dead? Nice. Bruh! Can I do something? Attack him. Is he singing? I took 1 damage. Attack him. Too far away to counter attack, okay. Got 10 experience points, nice. Got 1 tech point, nice. Did we win? That. Yeah. Does he have a Pokeball in his chest? Well, anyways, that's where I'm gonna end it, guys. The game was pretty fun. Controls are pretty simple. I liked. Yeah, this can be a game that I can play if I actually really cared. But yeah, didn't really have any problems with it, to be honest. It's pretty cool. So yeah, on that note, I'm just gonna end it here. Peace.